Good morning, children. See exponents and powers. In this exercise 4.1, we have to discuss now fourth one. Simplify and give reasons. See, in fourth one also we already discussed four problems we discussed. Fifth one we have to discuss now. See here. See, give reasons means you have to say in according to which law they are changing. In exponents and powers we have so many laws now. That laws we have to take. See here, 2 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1. We can change this as a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. In this formula we have to change it. 1 plus 1 by 2 power 1 plus 1 by 3 plus anything power 0. A power 0 is equal to 1. So here 4 power 0 is equals to 1. Anything power. So for 2 and 3 you take LCM. LCM is nothing but 6. Here nothing is there. So if you divide with 1, 6 only. 6 ones are 6. Plus if you divide this one with 6, 2 3s are 3 ones are 2 3s are 6. So multiply this one with numerator. 3 ones are 3 plus again with 3 you divide. 3 2s are 6. With 2 you multiply this numerator. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 6 are 6. 6 ones are 6. So 6 6 12 13 14 15 16 17. 17 by 6 is the answer for this one. How to simplify? We simplified this one. Give reasons is nothing but you have to say the what according to which law we are changing that one. See the next one. Sixth one. 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 whole power 2. See, first I want to change this one. According to which law? A by B whole power minus m is equal to B by A whole power m. We can change this minus power to negative power into positive power. When if it becomes reciprocal, this A by B becomes B by A means this one will become positive. According that I am changing. So 2 by 3 whole power 2 whole power, this 2 will be like that only. Again this one, see here, again this one, a power m whole power n is equals to, you think that it is a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. So 2 by 3 whole power 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. That means again this formula, see, a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. According to this formula, 2 power 4, 3 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 by 3 3s 9, 9 3s 27, 27 3s 81. 4 16 by 80, 81 is the answer for this one. Solution, we find out, we simplified this one and we have to write this reasons also. Reason is nothing but according to which law they are changing. We have to write that one. Next one. Fifth one, same, simplify and give reasons. Fifth one also same like that only in 4.1. Fifth one also same. In fifth one, two problems are there. Fifth one, first one, 3 square minus 2 square whole divided by 1 by 5 whole square. Whole square. See here, 3 square means 3 3 is 9. 2 square means 4 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. So 9 minus 4, 5. Divided by, you change the symbol into. If into means it reciprocal of this one, we have to write 5 whole square is like that only. So 5 2 times square, again whole square, that is equal to 5 power 4. How? A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 5 power 4 means how much? 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25, 25. 25 into 25, 625. Answer is 625. Next one, see. 5 square, second one. In this fifth one only, second one. 5 square whole cube into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. See this one. 5 square. This is a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. So 5 power 2 3s are 6 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. Reciprocal. If you remove this divided by sign, this comes under denominator. If it is denominator, it becomes numerator. 5 power 6, 5 power 6 gets cancelled. 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 is nothing but 5 into 4 times we have to write. 4 times. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. Is nothing but 625 is the answer. For this fifth one, first one and second one both are 625 only. Next, sixth one. If you see the sixth one. Find the value of n. Find the value of n. Each of the following. First one. 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. Now see here, this 2, if you observe this 2 means, what will happen? See, 2 by 3, a power m, you think 2 by 3 as a. 2 by 3 whole power, a power m into a power n is according to this formula. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So, 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus 5 is equals to 2 by 3. This one as it is you have to write n minus 2. So 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 by 3 is equals to n minus 2. Here the bases are same. Exponents are also same. Here bases are same means exponents are also same. That one you have to write. Bases are equal. Bases are equal. Hence exponents are also equal. So if they are equal means what you have to do? N minus 2 is equal to 8. So n is equal to 8 minus 2. If we transpose to the right hand side, plus 2. So n is equal to 10. What he asked you? He asked you to find out the value of n. So n is equals to 10 here for the first one. See the second one. Minus 3 whole power n plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 is equals to minus 3 whole power minus 4. See here. Here also same formula only. A power m into a power n is equals to minus 3 whole power m plus n m plus n, m means this one, n plus 1, n means 5 is equals to minus 3 whole power 4. Now see, add this one, minus 3 whole power n plus 6 is equals to minus 3 whole power 4. Now same this one, bases are equal, hence exponents are also equal. Here bases are equal, so exponents are equal. So n plus 6 is equals to 4. So n is equals to 4. If we transpose to the right hand side, here it is plus 6. If we transpose, minus 6. So n is equals to, different symbols we have to subtract. 6 minus 4, 2. Before big number, minus symbol is there. So put minus. So n is equals to minus 2 here. Here n is equals to 10. There n is equals to minus 2. So third one, same like that only. See, in the sixth one we have third one also. We have third one also. See here. Seven power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equals to 7 cube. See, observe. If you observe this one, see, this one, see here all bases 7, 7. You change this 49. We can write 49 as, 7 square. 7 into 7, 7 square. So, 7 power 2 power n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by, instead of 49, I am writing 7 square is equals to 7 cube. So, here see, if you remove this symbol, what will happen? 2n plus 1 by 7 square is equals to 7 cube. See, this one, a power m by b power, a power m by a power n, a power n, a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So according to this law, what we have to do? 7 2 power n plus 1. Take this 2 to the minus 2 as n, like this. That is equal to 7 cube. See here 2n minus 2 plus 1. Constant terms. 7 2n minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1. Subtraction before big number, minus symbol is there. So minus 1. 2n minus 1. Here you have to write 7 cube. See, here bases are equal. Exponents are also equal. So how to write that one? Exponents are also equal. 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. So 2n is equal to, take this constant to the right hand side. Here minus 1. If it goes to the that side, plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 2n is equals to 4. Here 2 is multiplying. So if it transpose to the right hand side, it divides 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So n is equals to 2. Okay. Third one. So up to sixth one we completed. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining part. Thank you.